Hi, my name is Matt Brown. I'm the founder and CEO of the influence company ShowWorks Media. And in this video, I want to talk to you about how you can become a best-selling author in a matter of days using something called the content to AI to publishing model. And I'm also going to share with you right at the end a very cool custom GPT app that allows any published author to really scale their influence in multiple languages and scale your story and your message all around the world. Once you become a best-selling author, you have to start with a book. And now most books will take 6 months to 12 months to write, if not longer. And this here book took only 10 days to write, as did this book, Secrets of Fail. So how were we able to do this? Well, what we've created here as a team is a very innovative, cutting-edge publishing delivery model, and it always starts with content. So what I'm going to show you now is exactly the content that I'm going to use for my next book called Secrets of $1 Million Success. So let's take a quick look at that now. And so what you're looking at here is a YouTube channel, and this is content that was strategically created. It wasn't just creating content for the sake of creating content, but it's all about $1 million success. So my audience primarily are business leaders. So how do you build $1 million enterprise plus and scale that? And so all this content here was strategically created. So you don't start with the manuscript first, you start with content. Now, once you've got your content, you then start working with AI platforms. And we've developed a number of systems around AI and LLMs to really help us to create a manuscript literally within 8 hours. So this is a 50,000 word manuscript that took literally 8 hours to create. And so then what happens at that point? Well, you obviously launch your book. You want it to become a bestseller. You release all your content. You're putting social ads around your content to really reach, at a minimum 50,000 targeted decision makers, which is what we help our clients to do. Now, I mentioned upfront in this video, but what happens after the launch, right? So one of the things is, well, launching a book is not enough. You have to have content around that, but also you have to have a best-selling book. And so that's one of the things we specialize in, is how to make your book a bestseller, not just a published book. Now, once you're there, you can do so many things post the launch of your book. And I'm going to show you an example of this right now. So this is a custom AI application that we've built for one of our clients, Haiku. And so their book was called Averting the SaaS Data Apocalypse. Now, if you've written an English book, how do you now reach people in Spanish, in French, the Chinese market, as an example? And so what we've built here is essentially a custom GPT app that's trained on the book Averting the SaaS Data Apocalypse and all the content and all that kind of stuff. And then what you can do is you can provide pre-built prompts like, what is rGraph? That is one of their products. What does Haiku do? What did they do for one of their clients? So we designed this whole thing. And then what you're able to do is get an explanation for that particular book. So as an example, what is rGraph? And then it will start to look at the book itself and the content and all the information from the client's website, in this case Haiku, and now it's able to give me a response in any language. And that's a really powerful thing. This is, of course, is English, but this can be in Spanish. I can ask this thing a question in Spanish as an example. And so this is just one way to start scaling your influence with cutting edge publishing and AI tools. So at ShowWorks Media, what we're building is a AI publishing company. So we publish books, we publish content, we publish thought leadership stuff, and we do it 300% faster than anyone else in North America and at 50% of the cost. So that is how you become a best-selling author, through content, and then scale your message and your influence using other AI publishing tools like custom GPT applications. So leave me a comment below in this video. How are you scaling your influence through content, through authorship? And have you played around with custom GPT apps? Let me know right down below. My name is Matt, signing out, and I'll see you again soon.